Hello ladies and gentlemen, my name is Jansen Fancher with MarineMax Lake of the Ozarks, and I've got the privilege of showing you this brand new 2024 Sea Ray 400 SLX. We've got the stone interior with the gray sea deck. This is a hydraulic swim platform here that'll drop down. Got this seat. This will open up, nice place to cove out, and you've got that starboard side gunnel that'll drop down. Give you a nice little swim area, place to jump off of. Great wraparound seating. This table does fold. Dual grill. Here's your sink. Dual refrigerator, and of course your trash cans there. Battery switches are tucked away nicely. TV does mount here, which is stored right over there on the port side. This seat will rotate and face forward, so you're going to be even with the captain's chairs. Touch screen displays, and of course equipped with Axios joystick, makes docking a breeze. Huge bow area. Great place to lounge out, get some sun, and then we cannot forget about our cabin. This folds up or drops down into a bed. Got your TV. Great size head, along with a large area to lay down. If you guys have any questions, feel free to give us a call. My direct line is 573-606-3029. Thank you and have a great day.